Welcome back to A Heart Full of Thanks. I'm Sharon, your host, and we have in our studio today Jackie Kit. Jackie, welcome to the show.
Welcome.
Look, I'm so delighted to have you because a lot of folks don't know much about being a vegan. And could you tell us a little bit about yourself as a vegan?
Yes. Hi, I'm Jackie Kit. I was born in Chicago, but I was raised in Israel in the Hebrew community. I was born as a vegan, and I've never eaten meat. So I've been a vegan for 40 years. I'm 40 years old. And I also prepare vegan. I'm a vegan chef. I prepare from salads, vegetables, everything nutritional, from green to fresh vegetables, and I'm scared.
Awesome. So basically, a lot of your food preparations are live food and then some cooked food.
Yes. We have live salads, fresh. Everything is from the organic, fresh foods, prepared to salads, or you can cook them and whatever. Everything.
Awesome. For those that are just tuning in, I'm Sharon, your host of A Heart Full of Thanks, and this is Jackie Kit. And so Jackie is actually a vegan. She's never eaten meat, as she said, and you're actually from Israel.
Yes.
Awesome. Are you ever thinking about going back?
Yes, I will be going back on the 21st of June.
Wow.
But I will be returning back.
Wonderful. So you'll go back and see your family?
Yeah.
So tell us briefly, what was it like? I mean, you've never eaten meat. I guess you pretty much prepare vegetable meat?
Yes. We have a vegetable meat. It's made from whole wheat flour. And you can make all different types of vegan meat, but it's made from, like I said, it's made from whole wheat. It's called veggie gluten. And you can make either a pepper, you can prepare it as a pepper steak, or I will show y'all in our demonstration. We have like a veggie gluten tidbit with barbecue sauce, or how you make your ground round for your meatloaf or your lasagna. So it's a lot of things that we prepare from the whole wheat flour.
Fantastic. Well, I'm excited. I really look forward to tasting some of your dishes. And so we're going to prepare to do the ingredients, putting it together, a salad.
Yes.
Okay.
Today I will be preparing a salad. It's made from seaweed, mung beans, the mung bean strips, and bean curd. It's prepared into a salad where you can eat it cold, or you can warm it up as a warm dish or cold dish. So I will be preparing that today.
Wonderful. And for those that are watching, this is something you can do at home, but I am going to be tasting for everybody that's watching because you're not in our studio today. So let's get ready, Jackie. Welcome back to the show. We're ready now to try Jackie's summer salad. And so, Jackie, what we're going to do now, I guess, is put everything in your mixture together. So what do we have here?
Yes. Like I said, the salad's prepared from bean curd, the mung beans, and this is seaweed. I'm putting seaweed in the salad.
Okay.
And we have peppers. We have colored peppers, green, red, yellow, and red onion.
Okay, so you got mixed peppers and red onion.
Yes.
Smells good. Nice and fresh.
And the seasonings that we have is called nutritional yeast. We dampen it. And onion powder, garlic powder, with a little bit of Old Bay.
Okay. So that's onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of
Old Bay.
Old Bay. Okay.
Yes. And here we have sesame oil with the liquid brag for the sauce.
Oh, love it. Sesame oil with the liquid amino.
Yes.
Brags.
Yes. And toss it together.
Wow, that looks great.
Am I supposed to be saying something? And
So-
it's a really nice, tasty salad. It's not heavy, and you can eat it as much as you would like, all day and night.
Oh, looks delicious. Okay. So look, I can't wait. I'm ready to test taste. All right. So I guess I can just go ahead and just try a little.
Yes.
Okay. You gonna try some too? Okay. Well, so wow, looks delicious. Yeah, you know, it's like for the audience, I'm trying to get a little bit of everything,
Yeah.
so I'm not missing anything. So I see you have also some rice noodles.
Yes, this is the rice noodles.
Okay. And for those that are watching, I'm going to get some pepper too. And I'll take a napkin.
Yeah.
I know you wish you were here. I'm going to test this. It's good. For real.
And like I was saying, the veggie meat that is made from the whole wheat flour. This is a sample that I made for test.
Now,
So-
this is actually not meat.
No, this is not meat. It's made from the whole wheat flour, the gluten. It's gluten-free. So anybody could try it. So
Okay.
with a little barbecue sauce that I prepared.
Well, I'm going to try for those who are not here. And this is homemade barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Tastes like meat. This is good. The sauce is delicious. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
What's in the sauce? Oh my goodness.
The sauce is made from tomato paste, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little smoked sauce and molasses, brown molasses.
Oh my goodness, it's delicious. Jackie, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I have enjoyed it. And I know those that are watching, I know you would wish you were here with me. But I tell you what, we're going to list the recipe so you can try this at home. And remember, you're watching A Heart Full of Thanks. And thank you so much, Jackie.